Hello everyone, start off by making this circular twirl and then afterwards around it make a heart shape. Add an upper layer to it, then make a Y shape and a U shape underneath it. Add this base structure to it and then attach a stem to it as well. Don't forget to add these large leaves on either side and then add the detailing and color it as you please. Start off by drawing this ovular shape, add a curved line at the bottom and then add a semicircular like shape to it as well. Now add these petals to it and do this all around. Make it complete so that it looks like it is an entire circular shape. Make these stems out of it as well on either side. After this, add these little dots within it. Color it in pink as you can see that we are doing, and now color the center in yellow and the base in green. Now we'll be making a flower. Instead of doing it like this, however, we'll start off by making this ovular shape and then afterwards make a semicircular shape within it. Afterwards, begin to draw these petals all around the lines that you have created as such. Now, in the side that is closer to you, begin to make these shorter stems to it. Add a center to it, then add the stem. Add leaves on either side of this. Once you're done with this, color this in yellow. Next, we'll start off by drawing this U shape. Afterwards, draw petals within it, add layers to it as such. Continue to do so and then afterwards do this on either side. Now, as you do this on either side, add extra petals to it as well. Add the stem of this flower and then underneath it, add this lily pad-like leaf to it. Underneath it, add some more stems and then afterwards, draw the bud right beside as well. Add thorns to each of these and color all of this in. Next, we'll start off by making this swirl. Make a Y shape underneath and then below this add a U shape. Connect each of these with vertical lines. Afterwards, add this base leaf to it and then draw on the stem with the thorns underneath. Now make a leaf to it, multiple of them, on a stem. Do the same on the other side as well. Color this in. Next, we'll start off by drawing this YW. Now add two lines within it, add a U shape underneath it and connect all of the tops. Add these vertical lines to it and then add some more layers on top of this. Underneath this, add a stem with some long leaves on either side. Now color this in pink and shade it. Now make this Y shape and then underneath it make a U. Now connect it to the top as such, add leaves on either side, add a stem underneath it and then afterwards add small leaves on either side as well. Do this on both of the sides. As you can see, we have added a rather long stem. Next, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape. Afterwards, add these lines all about. Now make the semicircular shape in order to make the petals of this flower. Now afterwards, cover the gaps that are present as well. After you're done with it, add lines within each of these. Add checks to it as well. Now after this, add a stem to it. Add leaves on either side and then afterwards, add the detailing to the leaves as well. Now once you're done with it, color it in. Next, start off by drawing multiple Y shapes, add a U shape underneath it, and then connect the top parts to the bottom portions. Now, add these leaves to it, add the stem underneath it, and then afterwards add leaves on either side. Add thorns to it as well. Next, we'll start off by drawing these circular shapes. Connected to these circular shapes, you may draw multiple flowers. This is what we are doing. Now add these diagonal lines, add a bow connecting the two of them, and then afterwards make it look like a bouquet. Add leaves coming out from this bouquet as well, and then don't forget to add some stems as well. Cover up as much gap as you can. This will be the final look of it, add a heart in the middle. Next, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape, add multiple circles around as such. Now, after you're done with this, then you may add these diagonal lines to it as such. Continue to do it in multiple layers. After you've created multiple of these, you may add a bow at the bottom and then add a heart in the middle of this bow and then afterwards make it into an entire bouquet by making diagonal lines to it. Now once you're done with it, add layers to it and color all of this in. Thank you for watching.